Hi, this is Ella Patricia Antonia B. Padasay, and this is my performance task for weeks 4 to 5 of quarter 4 of the Statistics and Probability. So first is the problem. So the problem is, in a national survey by Food and Nutrition Research Institute of the Department of Science and Technology on April 2014 to adult Filipinos, which is 20 years old and older, the average height of males is 163 centimeters with a standard deviation of 6 centimeters. And the average height of females is 151.4 centimeters with a standard deviation of 5 centimeters. You are a local statistician and you are interested to know if the average height of adult males or females in your locality or barangay is different to the national average height. Use the knowledge and hypothesis testing on population mean and do the following. So these are the things to do. First, form a group according to your cluster and conduct a survey in your locality or barangay to at least 30 adults, which is 15 males and 15 females. So I decided to do this performance task individually. So the second, ask for their individual height in centimeters. The third one, determine the sample mean height. The fourth, at 95% confidence or confidence level, test the null hypothesis that there is no significant difference between the national average height and the local average height. Then the last one is state your conclusion. So as you can see, these are the data that I gathered. So in the right column is the average height of males in centimeters, and in the left column is the average height of females in centimeters. So these are the heights of males in my barangay in centimeters: 152, 157, 160, 160, 160, 163, 163, another 163, 165, 165, 168, 170, and 173. So adding all the heights of males in centimeters, we have 2,465. So there are 15 of them. So if you divide it in 15, we will have the average height of males, which is 164.333333 centimeters. So, adding all the heights of females in centimeters, we have 2,397. Divided by 15, we will have the average height of females, which is 159.8 centimeters. Next is identifying the given. First is the 95% confidence level. Then n is equals to 15, which is 15 responders for each male and female. Then the national average height of males, which is 163 centimeters. Then the national average height of females, which is 151.4 centimeters. Then the local average height of males, which is 164.333333 centimeters. And the local average height of females, which is 159.8 centimeters. The next one is solving for the degrees of freedom. So the formula for solving the degrees of freedom is df equals n minus 1. So in computing the degrees of freedom for males, we have df equals to n minus 1, which is n is equals to 15. So in substitution, we will have 15 minus 1, that is equals to 14. And for the female, we have df is equals to n minus 1, which is 15 minus 1, and that will give us 14 as well. So the next one is finding alpha over 2. So 95%, its equivalent is 0.95, which 95% means alpha would be equal to 1 minus 0.95. That will give us 0.05. So in substitution, we will have alpha over 2 divide 0.05 over 2, we will have 0.025. So the equivalent t value of 0.025 is 2.145. So right here we have the illustration for the rejection region. So the shaded part is the rejection region, which is 2.145. That is also the t-value. Then for the first null hypothesis, we have the average height of males is 163 centimeters. Then its alternative hypothesis is the average height of males is not 163 centimeters. Then the second null hypothesis for females, that would be the average height of females is 151.4 centimeters. And the alternative hypothesis is the average height of females is not 151.4 centimeters. So for another null and alternative hypothesis, for the null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between the national average height and the local average height of male and female Filipinos. And for the alternative hypothesis, there is significant difference between the national average height and the local average height of male and female Filipinos. So the conclusion. The null hypothesis is incorrect. Therefore, the alternative hypothesis is correct, which is the average height of males is not 163 centimeters and the average height of females is not 151.4 centimeters. The null hypothesis is incorrect and the alternative hypothesis is correct. There is a significant difference between the national average height and the local average height of male and female Filipinos. So that was it for my performance task in Statistics and Probability. Again, I am Ella Patricia Antonia B. Padasay of STEM Rational, and I hope you learned something. Bye!